This skylight is beautiful, but in the afternoon it's too hot and glaring. Install Skyblind. Close it to block sunlight and heat. Your home stays cool and comfortable. High ceiling? No problem. Use the remote to open and close. You can control separately or all together. Want more convenience? Add on the Wi-Fi controller. Control with your phone or set a timer for auto open and close daily. You can also install it on the balcony, patio, car porch, or living hall. Glass roof too hot to handle? Will give you the right solution. Inbox us now